Home Remedies presents.
Remove all brown spots and stains on your teeth with this magical homemade powder. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a very simple and easy way to remove stains from your teeth gradually. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. This homemade tooth powder recipe is a simple and natural alternative to toxic commercial toothpaste. It is easy to make and will even save you money. Research reveals that sage is a natural tooth whitener, so I gave it a shot in my own tooth powder recipe. And once I began brushing with the homemade tooth powder, I realized the benefits. Sage teeth powder. You can make your own sage powder by blending the dried sage leaves at home. Start each day with a brighter smile and fresher breath by brushing your teeth with sage teeth powder. Just add a pinch of this amazing teeth whitening powder to few drops of coconut or mustard oil. Obtain a fine paste and use it for 1 minute to brush your teeth after you have done with your regular toothpaste. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and you will see the great results almost instantly. Warm salt water helps both whiten your teeth naturally and looks after your gums as it is a natural antibacterial. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm kettle boiled water. Allow it to cool and use it as a mouthwash. You can use this daily, backed up by science. Salt is a natural antibacterial working by attacking bacterial cell walls. Brushing twice a day for 2 minutes and flossing at least once is the baseline for any healthy mouth. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.